Cool. Guys, I hope you are able to hear me very properly, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Right, go ahead with your questions. Okay. Because primarily today I don't have any topic to explain, but if you will say that because you have to explain this topic, I'm ready to explain that also. Okay. But go ahead with your questions, whatever you want, whatever, yeah, whatever the doubt, dilemma, anything. Go ahead.
Uh, you know, you have told you will explore one of the new project like
Yeah,
next week. So
that is already into the list. Okay, the project is not exactly finalized. We are creating a clone of the Netflix. Okay,
okay,
with DevSecOps. So yes, that will be, see, that will be, I will pull you into some of the weekends. Okay, that I will message
okay,
you into the
okay,
group. Okay,
okay, okay,
and I will pull it. Okay,
okay. I thought just today. That's why. Hmm. No, not today. Okay.
it's overburden is not helpful, right?
Oh, no, no, it's
Otherwise,
fine.
what will happen? Something new concept, you forgot the old concept. No, first digest this very, very well. Okay.
Yeah.
If you feel that you have to add one more project, then obviously yes. Okay. I will send a
Yeah.
message into the group and you all are welcome. That's it.
Okay. Now, whatever we have actually, uh, I mean, done last 2 months, we have we have to go through all of this. To be honest,
That's
from your
important.
side,
That's
eh, from your side, you have whatever you delivered. So we have to actually now our what I'm thinking topic wise, for example, Linux, Docker and Kubernetes. So if we select just in within our group actually, if we select okay, next 3 days we'll talk about the Docker and Kubernetes. Next and then next. So then we can review all of this. I mean, and then we can
see, now it's okay. Now you have the full recording set or everything is
yeah
available. Okay.
yeah
So
that's true.
whenever you have a time, whenever you want to watch, whenever you want to do the practicals, you can do by own or just send in a group that I'm doing this. Anyone want to
Yeah,
connect? It's
right.
not required 10 people, 15 people in a group. Okay.
No,
Otherwise, it
no.
will not happen. If two people will be there or three people will there, the things will happen. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure.
Otherwise, if five people will come, that thing will not complete. Okay. So
Yeah,
yes, wherever you are, means whoever you are comfortable, you guys can talk, discuss, and close the
yeah.
topic, or you can run it by own as well. Okay. Anything is fine. Anything is possible.
Yes, because we have all these materials now. I mean,
Hmm.
PPT, video, practical. So all of this, in our hand. I mean,
See
we have
now the
access.
now what you can do it, if you will watch somewhere else also, you will able to understand,
Sure.
okay, this person is doing that.
Yeah,
Okay. Otherwise, what will happen? How he did, where he did, lot of things, a lot of questions, lot of problems may come, right?
sure,
So
sure.
now you are very clear that you have to do this. Yeah.
Right, right.
And guys, apply for the job, go for the interviews. Okay. It's okay, get rejected. But if you will not go for the interview, nothing will happen ever. Okay.
Yeah,
Anyone or everyone, you must have to go for the interviews. Okay. Not interviews. Yep, yep, yep. Go ahead, guys, come up on the camera and ask the question, whatever is coming in your mind. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Because today is your day. You have to ask the questions. Hi, Suresh. Suresh, your background is really looks good. Okay. Your color combinations looks good. Okay. Red, yellow. But you have to sit it properly. Cool. Yep, yep, yep. बोलिए सुरेश अनम्यूट करके.
Sorry, I was on. I was saying my bed is like this. That's why.
See, I'm telling, sorry to say, but don't sit on the bed. Okay. No,
Yeah,
long
yeah.
term, it will not helpful. Interviewer don't like that. Okay.
Mm, yeah.
I given my Amazon interview like this. Okay. And he was telling that because what else you are doing? Okay. Because see, no one will keep the mic or camera like this, right?
Yeah.
Agree?
Yeah.
It's working or not working doesn't matter. Okay. But
Fair.
people, the question will come in the mind why he's keeping this mic. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So sometimes you throw the impression. Okay. And you know why I throw the impression? Because I want to ask 10 lakh or 20 lakh extra. Okay. Either I will get rejected in one shot, they will clear. Okay. We don't need this person. Okay. They will clear. Or otherwise, I will put my heavy dose on that they have to give something extra to me.
Yeah.
So I just play the game. Okay. So you also have to set up something so that, see, let us assume you are asking the work from home. And if you don't have the table chair, you are not asking into the table chair, then they will not give. Make sense?
Some
Right.
common sense we have to follow.
Correct. Okay. That's also required. Good. Yep. Guys, go ahead, come up on the camera so that at least your camera is good or not. You have to purchase the camera, you have to purchase the mic, whatever you have to do it, you will decide it. Okay. You can get decided, or 15 reviewers are here. He will say that your camera or your voice is not good. Okay. So that your first level of interview or chances will be better. Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
So I have one non-technical question. Maybe almost 16 guys over here. So I'll ask this question because I also wanted to know that how people are doing that. I mean, this is the question where because we all are in IT and we learning a lot of technology, a lot of domain, right? A lot of tools. So just wanted to know each and everyone's method, how they're learning. I mean, as a human being, we used to forget, like we learn today and maybe couple of days, couple of week or couple of months, we got to forget that. But how each and everyone process, how they are learning, what are their method, how they keep motivated themselves and keep learning. I just wanted to know from each and everyone so that I can also get to know if everything new and I can follow that.
I have two answers for this. Okay, let me give two answers. First, create a notes, make an active practice. Okay, don't if you don't like, let's assume that you don't like Terraform. Okay, so don't spend more time into the Terraform because you don't like that tool. Okay, ignore that. Okay, and keep the notes. Okay, keep small notes. Okay, with you, and just whenever you have a time, just read it. Okay, it will not take 2 to 5 minutes. I will say
So
that yes.
it will refresh all the things,
See, this is system design. Okay. And it's not easy. Okay. It's not easy. Okay. So I have a printed notes for everything. Okay. I printed from my printers because see, we can't able to remember everything like this.
Yeah.
Right. So I took a notes, and whenever I have a time, see, I have written in my home handwritings also. Correct.
Okay.
So with my words, because see, there may be chances my system design will be my next course also possible. Right. Because see, if you will reach into 15 years 20 years experience, okay, you will not know what is Docker, what is Kubernetes, right? Yes or no? Because my discussions are happening, or wherever I'm giving the discussions, I'm designing a complete architecture of the application. Okay. And the basic is you have to know about it, then only you will able to do that.
Correct.
राइट अगर बेसिक नहीं आता तो कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, पहला पॉइंट तो ये।
Foundation
और
should be
बेसिक
strong always.
you have to be strong into the basic, then you will able to imagine the next other tools. और ऐसा भी नहीं होगा कि मेरे को if I know one tool I can able to design the architecture. No, if you know 15 tools, then only you will able to decide that which one is better, which one is best suitable for the requirement, and then you will able to do it.
Okay.
Right. So this type of things also means it's not like you have to make the notes. I am also making the notes.
And
Okay?
what is the second one?
First is making a notes and making a practice. That's it.
Okay.
Remember,
Practice on
means
a daily
you have to
basis
practice.
or whatever whenever
Not
we have a
daily
time.
basis. Practically daily basis, everything not.
Whenever we
Okay.
have a time. Yeah.
Whenever we have time, or wherever, see, you want to make your career, or wherever, whatever is using in your company. That's it.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyone
Let's
want
go
to
ahead.
share any?
Others, now it's your turn. I'm done with my points. बोलो यार, कैसे कर रहे हो? हिंदी में बोल दो, प्लीज बोल दो, बट
Mustafa, how are you doing?
No, yeah, I'm good. Thank you, Suresh.
I just
hope,
wanted to listen from
yeah,
you as well. Yeah.
no, I hope after today you won't be lost. You'll be connected all the time.
No,
I
we
won't.
will
Yeah.
always
no, guys,
connect. We will.
no. See, you have a WhatsApp group, okay?
Yeah.
What
Don't see
actually
it's
happen?
now.
Maybe
It
some
depends
people
on
will
you.
get job, and then maybe you'll,
Are-
the stock
It's
is
okay.
done.
See, at least
But I want
10%,
to connect with
20% people.
everyone.
See, 10%, 20% people will be silent, as
Mm.
always. Okay.
Always,
They
always,
will never
always.
respond. They know, they
Yeah,
don't know, they will never respond. Point number one. Second, someone will be very, very active. Okay. Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So you have to support them. And it's now depends on you that how you will take that group in a positive way, negative way, whatever it is. Right. Yes or
Mm.
no?
Yeah.
yeah,
Because
yeah,
it's your group, your team.
yeah.
Right.
That's
If
true.
you help each other, people will be ready to help each other. Simple. Okay. If you provide referral, see, don't think others. If you will provide referral, definitely the person will think that okay, this person provided referral to me, let me provide to him. So okay, बस इतना ही करना है. Correct. Or
Yeah,
Correct.
not today, after 2 years also. See, first switch, then again you are thinking again one switch. See, my thing is like, if I need a referral or if I need a referral for you in any company, I will put my WhatsApp status that I need a referral in Google. Okay. So someone may message that because I'm in Google, or my I have a referral, or my HR is in Google. Okay. Because my number, if I put the status, 800, 900 people are watching it. Okay. So
yeah,
someone will be there. So I can help you out in that way also. Or you have a small group, anyone get a call from the Google HR's ID, okay, latest ID, like that you can ask, or simple send a message, send an email. Okay. But your mail or your, what we can say, thing is should be very strong. Let me give a one cover letter also. Okay. I will take on my head. I will give one good cover letter. Okay. Edit it as per your needs. Okay. And then do it. That's it.
yeah.
Okay. COPER cover LE letter. Yep. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Mustafa, you are telling. Go ahead. Go ahead. Continue.
Yeah. What actually is in my cases?
Your cover letter, resume, to everywhere it will work, right? See,
y-
in your cases, I can say
No,
that,
no, no,
see,
no, no. I'm not talking about cover letter. What sure is actually,
Uh-huh.
I'm
Yeah, I mean,
talking
I
about
just
that.
wanted to know your learning method, how you learn, how
Yeah,
you remember the technology or things over the
yeah. So
period.
yes, is first of all, what is common thing I always face.
Uh-huh.
For example, last year, um, day before yesterday, I was doing practical. Just the practical, the last project one. So
Okay.
I was very confident. I thought just it will take only half an hour to finish this project because I from this class I know what actually how I should do it. So I
Uh-huh.
started actually doing, and then intentionally I made it failed the first stage. CI/CD I correct it, and then second stage I made it fail and correct it, and the third stage I made it fail and correct, and then I tried to in the push stage. Then I thought just okay. Then I wanted to correct it. I couldn't able to. And then I corrected it. Just I changed the authentic authentication, not authentications. This is mine. I thought this is a GitHub. My login, maybe my GitHub name. And then I tried half an hour.
Mhm.
Only one place I stuck half an hour.
Okay.
It didn't work. It didn't work. Then I just left it. And then after 10-minute break, I came back and then I watched the video again. I thought just, okay, let me saw the video.
Mhm.
I saw the video. Then I said, "Oh, what a silly mistake I'm doing again and again." But I was stuck. Can you believe it? 30, 40 minutes, only 1 minute, at the last moment. So sometimes it happen all the time. I mean, most of the time.
so
I'm,
I
I'm
feel that
trying, I'm
this is required.
trying, but
This
it's
is
not.
required.
Then,
This is really
yeah,
required. Okay. Because see, if
yeah,
someone will ask into the interview that where you face the problem, so you have to say
yeah.
this answer that I face this problem, my team faced this problem, or say client was facing this problem and you have solved them.
Yeah. So,
Correct.
what actually, when I mean, and another thing, most of the time, I mean, you always don't feel okay. Uh, I can, I can, I can continue study. I can continue study. If I am not feeling okay in the theory, I need to remember the theory. What in my case, I'm not feeling like okay. I have no mood. Then I I do that rather than theory. I do I go for the practical.
So
When I
basically,
am
you changing your mood.
right.
Okay.
I change my mood. I
Okay.
always change my mood. Even if I feel okay, I'm feeling bored. I listen music. Couple, I
Mm.
mean, one music to me. 10 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I music. I mean, for just for meditation. Then I go for
Okay.
so this is the way I just actually keep continue studying, because
Nice,
I
nice.
yeah, this is my personal actually
Yeah, actually, it's
motivation.
nice. Actually, it's nice.
Also,
Yeah.
also, Suresh, I go for the I was for video. For example, I'm doing practice, or I'm trying to remember these things. I'm not in mood. I'm trying, but I'm not concentrating, what I want to do. Then I go for other video, related video, and YouTube video, iOS video, some video also. So this is how I'm to actually from my side I'm doing. So I want to know from others also now.
Yeah, because I also face I'm also in the same phase in the year of 2017 or
Yeah,
18, where I'm
yeah.
just trying, lot of thing I just trying, but nothing would happen. Then I used to watch the cricket, and where I got to know that if the very good batsman would trying to hit the sixes with the maximum effort, but he can't hit the six. He just trying, and ball doesn't go to the boundary. Like in that case, when he realized, and he just try to do the timing. When you do the correct timing, the ball automatically goes to the beyond the boundary without effort. I mean, effortlessly. And
Yeah, sure.
that is where I realized that the timing is, and then the other thing is very important. Instead of just trying to do the continue, just that doesn't work.
Another thing, just I want to share my experience. 2015, um, I before I tried lots. Before, just to get the driving license in the UK, there is a step you have to pass the theory and
Mhm.
then practical.
Okay.
So it's very important. Very, um, there's lots of people here in from India or Bangladesh, from
Yeah.
where I'm from actually, came here. So, just maybe 3 years, 4 years experience, 8 year experience of driving in India or Bangladesh, came here, educated people. Even they struggle. They struggle because there is UK driving license system is completely different.
Yeah.
And theory, I tried. I had a book. I tried lots. I mean, I couldn't even read more than 10 minutes. It's a big book in the driving license in more than in 900 MCQ questions.
Oh.
Whenever I knew it, I need driving license. But on this book, whenever I tried, I couldn't spend more than 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. And then 2015, I realized I need it. And then I download one apps in my mobile that time. And I used to go to work in central London. From
Mhm.
that time, I used to live in East London. So 40-minute journey in train journey. And within 7 days or 8 days, I completed all the theory only on the way of my journey. When I when I am on the train, I started, practicing on these apps, and then finished. And then when I finished my work again, on the return journey, I and within 8 9 days, I thought just okay, I'm ready to ready for already booked, and then I'm ready for theory.
Best.
I booked theory test. I went for the theory test. I passed it. I mean, what actually, year after years, I couldn't even concentrate with the theory, but when I thought I need it, I target it, I need it, and then I made it. So, and then practical also, same thing happened
Mhm.
with me. In the DevOps, um, last year before joining this class, I made my mind. After joining this class, after one session, I made my mind I have to do it. But I don't know. Still I don't
Mhm.
know, because lots of information in my head last couple of months. We have to practice it and I have to deliver it. Then I'll know where I am. But I made my mind. I have to do it. I have to complete. This is my guideline. I mean deadline. I thought just okay, two months with Vikas, and next 2 months, maximum 2 months, I will be able to prove then I have experience, I have skill, then I'm really ready for a job. So that's I made my mind.
Mhm.
That's I'm working on it.
Yeah. One of the funny thing I just wanted to share, one of the colleague from my company in located in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Whenever he want to learn new technology, he just started, and once he done, and then he just came to us and then saying that, yeah, I learned this thing. So my head still smoking, something like that. So
Mm.
funny part, but yeah, it's, I mean, how this technology and how we could learn, how we could remember what is the process and all these things. Keep remembering, keep practicing. These are the, various methods, challenges, and then eventually we have to keep motivated ourselves and do our stuff. That is more important.
Yeah. And just I have questions. I mean, who are working as actually in a real DevOps engineer. I'm sure that some of us working part of DevOps or working as a DevOps. Doesn't matter as 1 year, 2 years. Some
Yeah,
people might. I know you are working also.
yeah, you can ask whatever.
Can you tell me? I know just it's very. Last 2 months we have been actually learning what is DevOps activities, day-to-day activities.
Mhm.
But in the real world, actually, what you are doing on the project basis actually what actually maybe because you'll say oh you already know just your responsibility you make the infrastructure but
Mhm.
in real scenario actually what you are doing how you are doing every day to day basis if you explain
Yeah,
you from your side on any of else that would be really helpful for us.
yeah, love to explain you. What
Guys,
I'm on.
people, guys, everyone think this answer. Two, three people give the answer so that people will able to what we can consolidate and at least able to
Sure,
say 5 to 7 points. Okay, I
Mhm.
want this answer to be given by 3, 4 people, three, 4 points, so that it will be very helpful and consolidated answer will come into the picture. Okay, go ahead.
sure.
Yeah, in my company, basically, my role is divided in 50-50. Like my 50% is towards to operation and then 50% towards to build, where I'm a part of the project team, right? And as far as concern the operation, so where we have a ITSM tool, where my company is global company, right? Where 137 countries the company is present, and
Okay,
we have a customer like internal customer, not outside the company. So for us, the customer is internal customer. There is that their concern related to IT on the ITSM tool. So we have levels like level 1, level 2, level 3. I'm working on level 2 and sometimes level 3 whenever required. So actually, we design this queue like way where L1 is basically the tickets landed, right? And they distribute the tickets to, let's say, tickets related to level 2, level 3, they distribute towards that. And if the tickets can be solved on the level 1, they do their self, or they working on their self. Once the ticket came to level 2 in our queue, we again have the subdomains over there, like virtualization, then database, then uh, s- cloud core team. Like I am part of the cloud core team, and then other team like database and data storage, like these sub branches in the second level queue. And the third level we again have in the same domain, where the actually the build engineer, who are working on the level 3, they actually design and developing the new product. They're doing the some uh, innovation or something like that. They're working on dedicatedly on that level. So as a build team, I work on the so many project, starting from we develop the AOM. Like there are we have a uh, orchestration, right?
Hmm.
right? You heard about orchestration. So what we develop, I just a part of the documentation and the one small what we can say object which we develop. So I want part of that, where we have created a API, right? And that API, when we use a couple, there are a couple of API. So let's say suppose we want to create a VPC. So we just go to the API, and we have to create a one order file. It is in a JSON format. So we just put those details in JSON format. We use those once JSON format is validated. So there are again some parameter where we can just go and validate your JSON order file. Once it's validated, you know that the JSON file is corrected already. Correct. Then you can go to the deployment. So you just get those JSON and put into the that particular API. Once you hit your resources in created, like you can create a VPC, you can create a many resources that is belong from AWS cloud. We dedicatedly use the, I mean, 90-95% we use AWS. So that way we created that simple API. So operation activity become very easy, and it reduce our time, it reduce our cost, and customer, if customer raise the ticket on the queue, we immediately deliver those requirement. Earlier, I mean, before that, it took a week or maybe 7 to 8 days, but it reduced to, if someone want to create a new account, we are able to give in 1 hour, or maybe within the day we are handed over that. So that is one product we develop. And then we again develop one more product, that cost optimization. I also work on other project, like where centralized VPC
So sorry to
endpoint.
interrupt. So your specific role on this, I mean,
Yeah,
your role.
my
Okay.
role is 50-50. I have to work on 50% on project, 50% on operational ticket. Whatever ticket
Okay.
comes in the queue, let's say
Yeah.
someone want to create a bucket, or someone want to let's say, give an example.
Okay.
One
So
example.
you create infrastructure.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
50% towards the
Resources. Okay.
infrastructure side, and
Uh,
50% towards the creating a new solution, creating working on the project. Let's say I said L3 team working on the project, right?
okay.
They're developing some new solution. So I also have been a part of that,
Okay.
so continue to that. I developed one solution like centralized VPC endpoint.
Mm.
That is very good project for me and for the company as well. It's saving a lot of cost. What happened earlier, every customer using their own VPC endpoints in their account. So what happened, we have 1,000+ accounts, AWS account, right? In their account they are using their own endpoints. So we think and then develop, why don't we go to centralized VPC endpoints, where we have a one account, within that we have a centralized endpoints. So every customer go to that through that centralized VPC endpoints. So it will reduce each and every accounts endpoints and the cost as well. And also we improve the security as well, by going to the centralized account. And then so we also use our private DNS and all those things. So it will eventually save the cost, improve the security, and as well save the time as well. So that is a very
Yes,
good project.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm saying that, see, this can, you have to make it little bit more impressive, that we did this, we have taken this action, and it reduced the 30% price for the client. Okay.
Okay.
When you
Yeah,
say it like this, right? So it will put the effect, and interviewer will think that this person, if he will come in my team or my company, it will be beneficial for my company as well, right? So you
yeah.
have to be little bit more you are very good, okay. You have to be more impressive kind of thing, that I did this, okay, we faced this problem, we get this requirement. You have to use this type of keyword, okay. My team, because you are a senior resource, so you can say, we have designed that, or we have planned that, and it has been implemented by my team in my guidance, okay.
Thank
So
you.
that what
Thank you.
happens, your value will get increased,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
I will keep in
Because see,
mind. Yeah. Thank
correct.
you.
So
Yeah.
what happens, see, if you will increase your value, okay, right, so you can able to ask the better package,
Sure,
right,
sure, sure. Yeah, yeah.
right,
I will keep
be
it mind
impressive.
this. Yeah. Yeah.
Be excited. Okay, while you are giving the answer, now be excited that we did
Yeah.
this, I did
Yeah.
this. Okay, in a happy mood.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you are happy,
Sure.
I know, but it should be excited also that you are eager to say the answer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, if what will happen, see, people, interviewer or people will think that this person is excited, he will jump and he will take the responsibilities.
Yeah.
Right? See how suddenly it's not my requirement that I have to come and say that, but I came into the picture because I took interest. So if you took the interest, interview will think that okay, this person is ready to, means he will jump into the call also and he will take the interest and
Eagerness and
he will take my
enthusiasm. Yeah.
responsibility. Right?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
राइट, हिंदी में बोलता हूँ, अगर कोई सी अगर कोई एम्प्लॉय बहुत ईगर से अपने आप बार बार आके पूछेगा कि विकास व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, व्हाट आई विल गिव अ वर्क टू हिम, राइट, और देन आई
Yeah.
विल रिमेंबर दैट दिस पर्सन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, ही इज रेडी टू टेक सम मोर वर्क, राइट. तो
Yeah.
प्रमोशंस एंड ऑल दिस थिंग हैपन इजी.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Small trick, okay.
Thank you, Vikas,
Yes,
for this.
everyone,
I
you
will
Thank you,
remember,
keep it
right?
in
Suresh.
It's
mind.
not
Yeah.
only for Suresh. It's not for Suresh. Everyone, whenever you are going and giving any answer, be excited that I did, my team, we did. Okay. If you don't
Mhm.
know, say the particular different team has did this, but it will be helpful for you.
Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's it.
Thank you. So anyone want to share, or should I continue? 20 people. Okay.
Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. Amit, you are also a
Uh,
DevOps engineer, right? You are
yeah,
doing
Amit,
any of it?
I want to hear from Amit.
Yeah, other people also. Yes.
Other, yeah. Some people are
So we will get a varieties of answers.
sure.
So
Yeah,
basically,
Amit,
in
Mukesh.
in my company, actually, I'm working as a DevOps. Actually, I'm working as a cloud engineer and middleware developer and cloud engineer. For
Mhm.
that, my role is totally depends on cloud. I'm using AWS from last 2.5 years almost, and I develop some lambdas with SNS, SQS services with CloudWatch also there with every lambda. And apart from this, I use Docker for containerization each and every lambdas for deploy
When he will
it.
say the
And
keyword, see, when he say the tools, it looks interesting, right? We get interest that what he's doing with that particular tool. Amit, right?
yes, yes, yes.
So put the use case also that I'm doing this with this tool.
Yeah.
Follow.
As I discussed in our class project one, for that we are pushing our uh, file like PDF or Excel file into S3 bucket, and then we are sorry.
Then Lambda is coming into the picture. He will, what
Yeah.
we can
Then
modify, he will clean up and he will move into some other place, right?
yes, 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 correct.
Amit, can I ask you, I'm sure just you working is a sprint or, I mean, agile
Yeah,
method?
yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
so imagine just how long your sprint? I mean, is it 2 weeks,
15
3 weeks,
days, 15 days,
15
2
days?
weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a
The
standard,
standard,
guys. It's a
standard.
standard. Every company has a 2 weeks sprint, or we have to follow the 2 week sprint. And we are using the agile. We are at this point agile DevOps part. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Yes.
everyone is into the agile at this point. So everyone, you must have to say that we are following the agile methodology. Okay.
Yeah.
In that 2 weeks of sprints are there, and we are working on the sprint. We are getting the requirements. We are taking the ticket. Now, now process thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Client or your manager or your lead will create a tickets. Okay. Whenever when see, let assume I'm a manager, I realize that we have to do this. If this team capacity I don't able to assign any ticket to them, so what I will do, I will just create a ticket and I will keep it into the backlog. Okay. मतलब मैंने टिकट बनाई और just बना के रखी हुई है. Okay. And then whenever the new sprint will come, based on the resource, based on your experience, that particular ticket will be assigned to you so that you have to work according to your capacity. Okay. Means if you are a senior engineer, you will work more. If your capacity is low, okay, you will work less. Okay. In the sprint before the, guys, this is the theory part. Okay. Whenever the sprint starts, okay, your manager will, you all will be into the single call. They will say that in the next 2 weeks, do you have any leave? If you have a leave, your capacity will be less, right? Because that assumes someone is going for a 1 week leave, right? So we can't assign the ticket because he is on leave. Make sense? Yes or no? Guys, are you agree?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think capacity planning
Yes,
is
yes.
called that.
Capacity planning. Okay, this is called capacity planning. Okay, we have to decide the capacity. Suresh is a senior person, so I will give a ticket according to the Suresh experience, right? Anand is a let us say mid-level resource, so I will give the mid-level ticket. Darshan is expertise into some cloud part, so I will give a Darshan to the cloud related tickets. Milan is a DBA person, so I will give a DBA based related. This all thing has to be done by the Scrum Master in your company. Okay, there is a scrum master, he will assign all these things. And guys, as soon as anyone asks one of the favorite interview question, as soon as your day start, how you will handle the things, okay? Or you can say that every day at particular time, okay, 11 a.m. IST, we have a stand-up call. In the stand-up call means we all will be into one Zoom call, meet call, Teams call, okay? We all means one by one we will speak up that what I did yesterday, what is my today's plan, and if any blocker. Whatever I did today yesterday means I was into this part and I was able to complete it. I was able to reach into this place. 70% work is completed. This type of thing. And my today's agenda is I will try to explore this. I will try to do this work also. Some Jenkins related tickets are in my queue, so I have to complete that. I have to write a pipelines. I have to create a Dockerize application. And then I'm facing a problem. If you are facing any problem that I this time means you API related thing I'm not aware about it, so I will connect with Suresh and I will try to gather the information. If Suresh is able to pass the information, it will be great for me. Otherwise, in the tomorrow stand-up call, we will discuss it again. Okay, so like that means what you did yesterday, what is your today's plan, and what is your what if you are facing any problem, so with whom you are connect. Let us assume Suresh is not responding to me. Suresh is very busy. So I'm just putting a message into the team that I want to connect to Suresh, but Suresh is not. I will not directly say that Suresh is not responding, but we are unable to connect it. So Mustafa, you are my Scrum Master. So Mustafa, can you please help in scheduling one meeting? Right? If it's the same team, we can directly schedule it. Okay. If it's a different team, let us assume one of the person XYZ. Okay, he's in the different team. He's not giving any response to me, so I will say to my Scrum Master, he will connect with him and he will set up a small 15 minute, 20, 30 minutes call so that me or my team can able to understand that part as well. Guys, make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right. Repeat it, please. Any one of you. It will take 30 seconds, 1 minute, but please repeat whatever I have told or whatever happening in your company.
In
In
my
short, but
company, there is always a meeting on Monday with client and our whole team.
that is called
And
progress call. That is called
yes,
progress call. एक हफ्ते में क्या किया?
या
Okay, वो
स्प्रिंट
बताना
खत्म
है.
होने के बाद एक कॉल होता है, और जैसे
Correct.
स्प्रिंट नेक्स्ट स्प्रिंट स्टार्ट, whenever next sprint start, there is a world call with whole team and client. They are prioritized with the business team, this are tickets, and we have to prioritize these works. And most like we have a Jira ticket, and in the Jira ticket itself there is a priority. We have
Correct.
highest priority, medium, and low priority, like that. So if there is a database work, there is a DevOps work, there is some API related, or there is front end related ticket. So it will assign in that call itself to particular person, and then they are starting working with their work. And yeah, actually, in my company, we have client call with only once in a week, and every day we have call with our team manager.
Internal.
So yeah,
Internal team. You can say
yeah,
internal
internet team,
team.
internet
And
team
once in a week, we are giving the
discuss
progress
with.
to the client.
Yes,
Correct.
yes. And apart from this, we have business team for like getting progress on the ticket. So another call is on Tuesday. We have call with business team for 30 minutes. Like
Amit, with Volt team or your manager or your lead will discuss that part.
with business team, if I have any concern about
Ah,
any work, then I will talk.
correct.
Otherwise,
Correct.
my manager, and in the call itself, we have whole team, but only manager talks with them. If any concern or any question having, then we can call like that.
Correct. Correct. What happened,
Yeah.
guys? Sometime your manager will gather all the information, okay, and
Mm,
he has lot of meetings, right? He will take care of that part, or your lead will take care
yeah.
of that part, okay. But sometime lead say, okay, everyone come and sit. Right, like that. Both things are possible. Good, good,
Yeah,
Amit. Good,
sometimes
very good.
what happen like developer, and like I am a API developer, like Lambda
Mhm.
developer. Then I needed some requirements from front end, or some I'm calling store procedure from database. Then I have to call with some database developers, and database developers required some requirements from business. Then we will talk with business team like that. If
Nice,
I,
nice one.
I want to do this, or they're like how we can approach that new thing
Great,
like that.
great,
And
great.
apart from this, whole week we are whole sprint we are working with our work, and then we have to deploy in first dev environment. Then QA team will test that. If everything is good, then we have to deploy in pre-prod and release
My
everything.
words. This is my words, okay? And this is, yes,
Yes.
guys, time
So,
develop. We will
uh, uh,
deploy into environment, and if all things good, slowly we will move into the upper or higher environments. Yes.
Yes, yes, correct.
so Amit, you are backend developer. Also, you are
Yeah,
part of it. You
I'm
do
working as
DevOps.
a um, I working as a cloud engineer and middleware developer.
Okay.
I
Amit,
joined my company as a middleware developer. Then I started on cloud, and now I'm promoted as a cloud engineer.
So, in your team, do you have any DevOps engineer actually who actually?
Yes, yes, yes. We have a whole DevOps team,
Mhm.
but on client side. But whenever we are containerize that lambdas or that particular piece of work or piece of application, then they will take care for further like Terraform, and all these things are they are developed, and we are just using that infrastructure like that.
Okay.
For me, there is pre-developed infrastructure, and that I'm just using that infrastructure.
So, what's your
like
plan
infra
actually?
is
Future plan?
created.
You want to
I
be
feel like
full?
infra is created by DevOps team, right? Or
Yes,
some
yes,
infra,
yes.
right? Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
sometimes I will also create the S3 bucket, new S3 bucket, and some new lambdas and all these things. But whenever I have a required new account or new IAM account, then I have to reach with DevOps. That access and all these things are handled by them, but in AWS services I can use like that.
Good, good, nice. Thank you, Amit.
Because
Thank you.
thank
because
you.
everything this application is too big, like we are working from last 5 years on that. So these accesses and all these things are managed by a whole team. I think 15 or more than 15 persons in that DevOps team.
Great. Guys, see,
There are
if you will
15
part of a
developers,
DevOps team,
DevOps team, right? The
guys, if you
15
will be
are,
see one thing, guys, if you will part of a big DevOps team, there may be chances you will explore lot of things. Okay,
yeah,
which
as
may be a DevOps work or not. You may handle anything. Okay, because if more than 5 people are there, so you have a capacity to do anything. Correct?
Yep.
Yeah. Good, good.
yes,
So,
as I
Amit,
know, in my company we have developed DevOps team with 15 people. Like 15 DevOps
15.
engineers are in team.
Oh,
Correct.
uh,
Guys, go in that type of team. It will be very, very helpful. If you know zero
yeah.
also, your team will able to help you out everything. Okay. If three, four
And
members will also be there, everything will happen. Okay.
So,
Smooth.
how many QA? I mean, in your
So it depends.
in my
See,
internal team there is two QA
okay,
engineers.
it
okay,
depends.
your team.
See,
It depends.
it's a depends, right? See, in the Flipkart, 5,000 employees are there. Okay. And everyone
It's
is working for
divided.
single application. Okay.
Yeah.
Single application, flipkart.com. Guys, are you
Okay.
Yes,
agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
yes.
They
But
have only one
internally they are
product.
divided with subparts,
Correct.
and
I
Some
know.
like
part.
I know.
we have a team with 12 peoples and two QA engineers, some
Hmm.
2 to 3 backend developer with two front end developer and middle developer like that.
Okay.
It depends on size, depends on the team capacity, depends on budget, right?
Yeah.
Matters. Okay, because see, if you are into the Flipkart, 5,000 people for same application. Everyone knows how Flipkart works. Everyone know how to do the smoke testing. Okay, Flipkart पे यहाँ जाओ login करो ये करो. This is called smoke testing, right? So people knows it like that. Good. Let's go ahead. Share your things. Share your company things, current things.
So, Amit, you are a developer, basically, which technology?
I'm working. I have started in Node.js.
Hmm.
Then I realized Python is more compatible than Node.js.
Hmm.
Then for second project, I am using Django Python
Hmm.
for second project.
So I am also developer. I am a .NET developer, and this same thing which you have done. The same thing I am looking for. This type of opportunity if I will get any chance to work on cloud and DevOps.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm also trying to switch in totally DevOps. From last few of years, I'm like coding and coding and coding. Just
Vikas, sorry to
and
disturb you, Amit. Vikas,
sorry.
I mean, are you agree with this, the normal person and developer? From these both people, developer can have a added advantage to become a DevOps as early as possible. Are you agree with this? Do you
See,
agree?
it depends. See how much capable developer you are. Okay. See, if you are say that you are a developer DevOps engineer, then there may be chances more development work may come. Okay, like write a Terraform code, like this thing, 50%, 60% of development work may come. Okay. And it depends. See, if you are a developer and coming into a cloud or DevOps, you can able to ask the highest package. Okay. If you are from non-support thing coming into DevOps, you will ask the standard package. Okay, right? If you will put AI,
Because
Python also,
what I'm saying, because developer is already know one or two or maybe a couple of the language, right? He know code very well, and that's why
Mhm.
I was thinking that he have a added advantage to become a DevOps
I
as
told yes,
compared to
it is
other.
the advantage. Advantage. Yes, it is the advantage.
Yeah.
Means icing over the thing, icing over the cake. Simple. Okay.
Mhm. That's why I
Yeah.
already these things already telling to Hardik, but he is not agree with that.
Yeah, Suresh. Actually, in my case, I already use YAML for lambdas,
Uh-huh.
like Python. I know very well Python. If we are a developer in Python, then it's easy for like DevOps also use
Yeah.
Python,
So in
Boto
that
3 and
case,
all this.
uh,
I know already that Boto 3 and all these things.
so
So it's
so it
easy
is
for me. If in our
uh,
class also, sometimes Vikas was teaching this particular topic, and I was like, yeah, I'm using this already. So it's
Right.
easy
And
for
so
see, remember this point. Okay, whatever I'm teaching, people are using it. Make
yeah.
sense?
That particular point. If Vikas was teaching us AWS at that time. I all the services I aware about that, and for RDS, DNS, VPCs, subnets, and all these things I already know. So it's easy for me little bit.
that's
But
why I said it is easy. Like you guys, like Hardik, and you already developer, you already know the code, so it is easy for you to become a DevOps as early as possible. That's why I said that.
Yes.
but
That is.
sometimes it depends totally.
Uh,
I have given two interviews, but they are totally asking about Kubernetes and
Yeah.
Dockers,
That
Now,
as their
that
need,
type
as
of
their need. They
knowledge
are
we don't have.
that is
yeah,
just a
as their
tool.
need. They are asking questions like that. If they
That is
are
a I would say that that is just their requirement, and just, it is just a trending
yes,
tool.
if
We have to
the
learn that.
requirements are totally
Yeah.
matching with our previous experience, then it's
Yeah.
easy
Mm,
to crack that interview. But
agree.
if you are very well with AWS and they are asking totally Kubernetes questions, then it's difficult little bit.
see, sometime interviewer asked the thing which he was struggling. Okay.
Yeah.
I was in one of the interview and he was facing some issue. One of the ticket allocated to him Okay, and he was asking that question because he was not able to do it. So he was thinking that this person can able to solve that or not. So this thing may also possible into the interview.
In my experience also, actually 1 year back, we are recording,
Amit,
our
come on
main is
camera.
first
I
and
won't see you any. Today is the last class.
yeah, just
Wait,
give
there
me
is a
Come
chances
on
you can.
camera. Come on camera. Then
Amit, there is a
just
and
chances Mustafa
at
will
least
call you
I'll
on site.
I'll know just this is Amit.
yeah, just give me a second. I will.
No, no
Amit,
problem.
this
No
is a
problem.
chance. Okay, you can go to UK also. Okay.
Yeah.
See,
Anybody,
Mustafa
anybody,
has a UK
anybody in
contact.
our group
Suresh
want
has
to
a
come to
Switzerland contact.
UK, just knock me. I will make my day, and then I'll meet up. So yeah,
Thank you.
anybody,
Thank you,
anybody.
Mustafa.
You're most welcome. Anybody in the UK.
I mean,
Cool, cool.
it
Thank
means
you.
a lot for everyone. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so many people, just have desired to come to UK. I met so many Indian colleague, Indian friends. So I'm sure just some people might be in this group. They are planning to come to UK. So
Mustafa,
anybody
not
have
today,
plan?
but within 1 year, within 1 year, within 2 years, within 3 years, someone will be definitely. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
might be I
So
also will be there
it,
because my
See,
client is from UK.
oh, really?
good. Nice.
Uh,
Yeah.
can we do one thing that we can share our LinkedIn profile in our group so we can connect
Please.
to each other?
Correct.
Yesterday,
Yes.
Rahul, name
Yes,
he's Rahul.
even I also share my LinkedIn profile.
Yeah. Please share
So we
share.
can. So
Yes.
we can also connectedly by not mobile, but professional wise LinkedIn also we can connect to each other.
Hey Hardik,
Hi.
that's a great idea. Actually, I was just looking for the profiles of Mustafa and Amit. I already sent them the connection.
Yeah, yeah. Even I try to
Yeah,
search
also.
on LinkedIn Amit
See, you
Kabade,
guys into
but
the
I
middle.
don't know
Okay. See,
the
you guys are into
right
the
person
middle. Just
I
search
have
Cloud
sent out.
DevOps up. Somewhere Mustafa has tagged me. Somewhere Amit
Yeah,
has
yes.
tagged me. Somewhere Suresh has tagged me. Hardik tagged me. Okay. So you can directly send a request also or send a direct message into the group. This is my link profile. Connect with each other. Simple.
Actually,
Great idea.
I just search Amit Kabade, but I
See,
don't know
guys, this
the
is the
right
benefit.
person. Right
See,
person I
this is
have
the
sent
benefit. If you
request.
will sit on the camera, people will search you. Right? Some people don't know. Right? कि
Yeah.
कौन कैमरे पे नहीं है तो उसको सर्च ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. Agree? तो
Yes.
guys, बोलो. Okay, I am encouraging you. बोलो, please बोलो. Okay, संतोष बोलो. If you will never speak, तुम्हें पता ही नहीं होगा कौन क्या था. Right?
Right.
We have to take one
Mukesh.
photograph also. अरे हमें एक टीम का फोटोग्राफ भी लेना चाहिए. Guys, come up, please, everyone.
Mukesh, I want
Um,
to hear from you also. You are working as a DevOps engineer.
if anyone want to talk, they can talk, but I can also share one experience that have happened with me.
Yes,
Yeah.
go on, Suresh.
Guys, before that, can we take one photograph of the
Yeah,
team?
yeah, please,
Yes,
please.
come up, everyone, please, because people will remember it. Come up, everyone, come up. Bhupesh,
सबके
Sridevi, Geeta, you can also come up in the camera. Ashwini,
सबका आएगा ना
Rushi,
सर जी?
Karthik, everyone. Okay. Chalo guys, I am taking. You can also take it. Okay. And whoever is taking the better photograph, that's good. Okay. Let me take it.
सबका आएगा?
Yes.
हाँ, कोशिश करते हैं सबका लेंगे.
Mukesh giving smile.
Okay. चलो, I took it. Let
I
me send it to the
because
WhatsApp group.
because I have an idea. On the count of three, we can do one pose. So we all of us look
Yeah,
in the camera at the same time. Can we do that?
With the
ऐसा
victory
क्या?
sign.
Yes, anything like this.
Otherwise, I have to use some external. Guys, you can take from the photograph or wherever you want.
Okay. Let's try it, guys. Let's say 1, 2, 3, and let's click. Great.
same from my side.
Everyone click, not me, everyone.
Right.
Okay. Let me send some photograph into the WhatsApp.
मुकेश का क्या हुआ?
Give me a sec.
मुकेश क्लिक करने गया, पता नहीं कौन सी क्लिक कर दी.
Guys, send it, send it. I have taken 2 photographs, not one. Guys, please, everyone. चलो एक बार ऐसे भी ले लेते हैं.
ले कौन रहा है लेकिन?
अरे सब लोग लो ना. It's not me.
I'm also taking.
Everyone.
यार ले लो, कोई ले लो भाई, मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ.
Correct. Yes. You can take from mobile also if you want. Okay. जैसे भी comfortable हो. Okay. Let me take it from phone also. Okay. Happy faces. That's always required. Cool. Thank you. Yep. Go ahead, guys. Continue.
Thank you.
Continue. Please continue.
Sir,
Go
I
ahead. Go ahead.
have
Go
a
ahead.
question.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
For example, I have like 9 years of experience, but I wanted to show like 2 or 3, 4 years of experience relevant in DevOps or cloud. So after going into, I mean, interview will be on the relevant experience, and the responsibility after going into the company is also on the relevant experience only. Please confirm.
Shridevi, see, as soon as you will, what I can say that go and give the interview. Write 1 year experience only, guys. It's a trick, okay? Write 1 year experience and go into the interview. If you are able to crack it, next time change it to 2 years, right? If
Okay.
you are able to crack the 2 years, also write 4 years, right? If you are not able to crack 4 years, come back to the 2 years only. Simple, right? And within
Okay.
1 month, you will able to write 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or depends. See, I write my 12 years of complete experience into the DevOps. Agree? Yes or no? Make
Yeah.
sense?
Because
Right?
you're confident enough now. So yeah, for us it takes time.
Shridevi, what you're telling?
No, you're confident enough, right? So you can
I'm
take how much
confident,
ever you
correct.
want.
Okay.
We
See,
need
now
some
Amit
time.
is see, now Amit is confident. No one will ask what is your background. Agreed, right? Suresh is
Yeah.
confident. Who will ask that what's your background? Simple, be confident. See, Ashwini, I know he can do a lot of extra things also. Correct?
Yeah,
Makes
sure.
sense?
One
So guys,
thing, one thing I learned from this class, most important thing, whenever we are learning is just not for me. If you are deliver with someone else, then it should be a confident thing, more confident. If you answer on WhatsApp or something like that, then then it should be more confident thing or more beneficial for.
Sharing knowledge.
So,
Where is Ashwin today? I can-
so the couple of things to share from my side. I just got to learn from over the experience over the period. This is for a fresher or maybe have a 1 or 2 year experience. The person. If you are strong on the technology, if you very strong on any particular domain where you working within the team, you maybe have a couple of people working over here. So you have a lot of confidence. You are very strong on that. So you can fight. You can fight. You can do the argument and all that. You can do whatever you want. And um, but if you don't have maybe I mean you have a less knowledge, you may be underperformance, you have less confidence. So in that case, don't fight to colleague, to senior, to anyone, and because it spoil your relations. It make another ways, uh, rumors, alls, and the environment eventually got disturbed. So that is my personal experience that I want to share. And the second thing, that is not experience, but what happened, I mean, sometimes in the interviews, uh, when you go to the interview, sometimes the interviewer, like, not the HR, I mean, I'm talking about the technical interview, right? So whenever you go in the interview, there might be a person who may be a senior lead or senior technical manager or something who taking the interviews. So the experiences from my side is he's already fair enough. I mean, good in the technology, good in the technical side. So his mindset is like that. The person who I'm taking interview for is not intelligent, than me. He could be less intelligent than me, and his mindset is like to hire those candidate who is less intelligent from me. That is I observe in my couple of interviews. That is one thing. You guys may be aware. You guys may be face. I
Yeah,
mean,
before
sometimes.
I
Yeah.
before starting camera, Mustafa is asking me for before I want to share that particular interview experience. 1 year back, we are as we need in front end developer in a team, so. Uh, some senior developers are there, but my manager says some backend and some API questions will be there. So Amit, you can join in an interview if you want to ask anything, any particular question on API. You can ask. In my hand, there are 3 to 4 questions you can ask. So I go in that interview, and our our colleague, like my colleague in my team, uh, taking that interview, and he said like आज तो जो इंटरव्यू को बंदा आएगा उसको हम ले लेंगे, मतलब ले ही लेंगे, कैसे कैसे भी करके उसको लेना ही है,
Okay.
जो भी हो। मुझ पे बहुत प्रेशर आ रहा है, फ्रंट पे अकेला काम कर रहा हूँ, जो भी आएगा उसे ले लेंगे करके।
Yeah, yeah.
Correct.
और
Always happens. I mean,
हाँ,
this is always
ये
happen with as well in
I
my
हाँ,
will
और
tell
company as
उस
my
well.
दिन
story. Okay. I will tell my story. We are in Bank of
या
America and we have a team of 7 members. Okay. And we need 4 members. Okay. It just look
या
like we need 4 members. Okay. For making a cricket team, not team. Okay. Not technical team, cricket team. Okay. We have just, my was a cloud team only. Okay. We told you want to work into the cloud. People say, no, we don't want to work into the cloud. You want to play in our cricket team? They say, yes. We hire him. And now they are the cloud or DevOps engineers. See,
Yeah,
you don't know
that's
when the
happened
opportunity
with,
came.
Then in that case, you can hire me because I am also a good cricketer.
and in that case, we are looking for React developer, and he knows Angular in a good way. So we are asking, JavaScript and some JavaScript questions, and get it done. You are hired like that, and
Amit,
he's working with us.
Amit,
Yeah,
you are backend developer. So I know
Yes.
just backend developer. So you know also front end because become backend developer. You first you learned front end and then you become a backend developer part or
Actually, in my case, I'm done my post graduation. At that time, I have uh, getting that campus placement, and after that, it was non-technical for particular tool that Cognizant is I'm working for 6 months, and then uh, uh, left from that, and I have started Node.js classes, like Node.js
yeah.
practice, and after that I have joined as a Node.js developer.
Okay.
So taking this opportunity, I would like to thank you to Vikas as well. Because of Vikas, I got to meet all of these friends, colleagues, and I can see
this is our
Mustafa.
team. This is our team. Okay. This is
Yeah,
our team. Okay. You are
Yeah, we'll
38
meet it.
switch. Okay. You are 38 switch. Okay.
yeah. Mustafa, Mukesh, Milan, Santoji. I can see a lot of people over here,
I will
and
tell
I
again.
also,
Suresh is taking the name of the person who was sitting into the camera. बाकी जो कैमरे पे नहीं है वो काउंट ही नहीं हो रहे
yeah,
guys.
I also connected with a couple of people. So where
मेरा भी
we,
नाम ले ले भाई.
Hardik, you already in the circle, right? We made some
Okay.
circle, right? So what we did because we we created one WhatsApp channel where we try to do the practice, and we
Yeah.
also offer people, to come together, do the practice, whenever you have a time,
Yeah.
whatever you want to learn. Where
You
we
can do in this group. See, you can do in this group only. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
You can
whenever
do in this group also.
yeah, anyone can be a presenter, other one can be a audience. Each and everyone, can do the activity. So this will help to grow together.
Yeah,
That's a
that's
good idea.
great.
That's a
Good
good idea.
idea.
Yeah.
So
I will.
I would say welcome. If anyone want to join, we will share the link.
अरे नहीं नहीं
Mustafa.
नहीं अलग अलग ग्रुप मत बनाओ. Don't create multiple groups. Use this group
Which
only.
this
Okay.
38? Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's
It's okay.
fine. Yeah,
Use
yeah.
this group only. Use this group
Okay,
only. Okay.
okay.
Whoever
See,
available
As
okay.
as
the
I
particular
part
time will join.
with 37 batch also, because you know very well.
I
I
know,
have
man. I know. See,
uh,
someone is sitting
uh,
from 36 batch also here. Ashwin is 36
okay,
or 35. I don't know.
35.
okay.
Actually, I am also from the batch 37.
Yeah, see,
Yeah,
Mukesh is
I'm
Mukesh, I
also.
know.
I'm from
Actually,
36.
I have joined on after AWS. So
Right, yeah. See, now I will say you, okay, if you miss the topic, okay, or any of the reason your marriage came, your office came, work came, anything, okay. If you want to come my next batch, you are welcome. Okay. No need to ask the thing with me. Okay. Come directly. Okay. The Zoom link is same. Don't say to anyone. Okay. Come
Can
to
I ask you
the
one
class.
unusual questions? I'm
Are
sorry,
one second,
maybe
let
related.
me complete. Let me
Okay.
complete. Okay. You can
Sure,
come
sure.
to the class whenever you want. Okay. You have a tracking sheet. You know the tracking sheet, right? Key what
yes,
topic is going to be cover. Okay. Or we are sending a message into the community. You can come. That's it. Okay. Don't come alone. Come with your friends. Refer your friends. Okay. And yes, definitely it will be good. Our team will get increased. Okay. We will get a talent, and you will also work with the new talent or your friends as well. Make sense? Yes or no? Right. So see, as you know, every time, see, Ashwin 36 by 37, 38, lot of people are here. Okay. So see, I don't have much count. I want to make a quality. Okay. So even I need a referrals from you guys. You can refer your friends into the batch. And I'm inviting you to my core community also. Okay. In the core community, we are doing a freelancing projects. Okay. And it can be double of your salary also, expected salary also as an extra salary. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can't imagine that how much you can able to earn. Okay, but
Mm,
it should be capable. You have to be capable. That's it. Okay. So yes, we are taking the freelancing projects. Okay. And it is fulfilling by my students only. And if you don't know the website which is created at this point, which I post, I think 1 month or 2 weeks, 3 weeks back, I posted one thing in my WhatsApp group, right? I'm looking for the web developer. Anyone remember? And 2 3 my students has asked that, because we are the web developer, tell me what is the requirement, what is the freelancing project. I told this is my project, and they have created everything. Okay. So it's like that. See, I have a talent. Ashwini is something, you are something, you are something, right? So we can able to perform any of the work as well. Correct. Yes or no? So yes, I will put some status in my WhatsApp, and then if you are interested, any of them, means it's a short duration kind of thing, big long duration also. But we are always looking for the responsible person. You can take as a responsibility that, because I get this small part, I will try to complete it. If not, I will upfront come and say that, because I'm not able to complete it. Right? Yes
mm,
or no? That's also matters. This is also a responsibility, because nahi ho raha, chhod diya maine. So that is
mm.
also matters, right? Because
Yeah.
we will find some other person. Right? It's not like that kids say open loop where we are coming back and asking. So this type of small responsibility, if you are take, we are, means sometimes we are getting a good projects also. So we will fulfill it. Means we will fulfill with these groups. Make sense?
yeah,
Yeah.
Right?
that's a great idea.
And refer your friends in the batch also. Okay. Because very soon the cloud DevOps up come with one of the software company as well, because we are fulfilling the project. So we will come up with the company as well. Okay. And you all will be the official employees as well very soon. Okay. Let's see when it happen. It depends. Okay. But yes, possible. This is a possibility also. Okay.
Welcome,
Cool.
Ashwin. We are
Ashwin
missing.
thought, Ashwin thought
Yeah.
that my name is not coming. I have to come up into the camera.
Actually, I was into some practice. I'm sorry, I got late.
Cool, cool.
Okay, Ashwin.
Guys, go ahead. You can make your discussions. Okay.
Like
And some
I'm
people is one second. Let me complete my one point. Suresh, you have did some practicals, guys. Whoever did the practicals, Ansible practical or anything pending from my side, I have to give one gift, right? Okay. So whoever did it, please let me know. Please let me know right away. Please let me know into the WhatsApp group that you, because I did. Suresh, I remember. Okay. Who else? Who else? Please let me know.
I think
I did.
Ashwini,
How you
I
said?
I have
Pradeep.
also completed.
No, I'm joking. I did,
I है
but
नहीं
you
नहीं
don't
नहीं
need to.
एक बार लिंक दे दो प्लीज लिंक दे दो प्लीज
Terraform
लिंक
and the Ansible practical, no?
नहीं Ashwini, you are not considerable, okay? You are just copying someone else and
No,
just
no.
saying that
I
you
this time I
are
did.
practical.
At this time I did
Last
that.
time you catch rented it, okay?
You can check the projects. Sir.
नहीं अब नहीं चेक करना, okay? एक बार पकड़ में आ गए हो. Someone you see you copied from someone, okay? And
Like
people are telling Ashwini has copied someone's, okay? चलो
this time I
चलो
did
guys.
and posted on LinkedIn also.
हाँ just give me into the WhatsApp group, please WhatsApp group में लिंक दे दो. I will just do it right away. Or
Like
you can
getting
continue, guys.
something
You can
from
continue.
you, I feel like I have achieved something.
Good. Good. Suresh, I open your number. Okay, I'm directly doing it. Okay.
Let me give you the another one. That is not
Acha,
correct.
something else. Array, it's a small amount only. You can take in your original account also.
No, that is
When the
actually,
freelancing project will come, the huge amount will come. You can take in your wife account.
you're thinking correct way, but that is post office account and that is create some trouble.
Array,
So
I'm just kidding, yaar. No,
that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
yeah.
Hello, because you were part of
Yes.
some tech growth. How was the experience there?
Tech role.
Tech growth. I mean, I checked out on
You
LinkedIn.
just yes
कौन सा tech role?
went some.
Tech
You
growth.
just went
Acha,
some
array,
event.
tech growth. Okay.
Yeah, tech growth.
See, as I told, we are coming into the IT also, right? So
Yeah.
when we are coming to the IT, we have to deal with the IT people as well, what they are doing, how they are investing, how they are hiring, how they are doing. I know aware about lot of processes, but still the government's process we are not aware. Okay. So that's also required. So where a lot of founders are there. So see, I will tell you here. I meet with the Amidus. You know Amidus is one of the company, right? It's aero modeling. Okay, I meet
Okay.
his CEO. Okay, and when I told that I have a community of 58,000 members. Okay, he was like shocked. Okay, how come means a young guy means he was a 60 years 55 60-year person. Okay, he was telling we have a team of 40 members or no, 400 members. Okay, and I told that 400 are my students already passed out. Okay, so he was just impressed and he told that Vikas, can you come, what we can do together, let's discuss. Okay, so he invited me like that. Means it happens, this type of things happens, right? So that's why I'm just going into some events kind of thing, and it will be helpful for you, me, and everyone, right? That's why.
Right,
सर
right.
अभी सीके का हो रहा है हैदराबाद में
Correct. Yes, it's happening.
हाँ वो भी बहुत अच्छा रहेगा
Correct.
जून में
Correct. Yes. Okay.
थोड़ा पेड है बट अच्छा है काफी इवेंट
Correct. Yes.
और स्नोफ्लेक का होता है पुणे में हर मतलब 2 महीने हर क्वार्टर में एक स्नोफ्लेक का होता है
Okay.
वो भी काफी अच्छा
Yeah,
रहता है
some backend, some DevOps also, some cloud meetups also there in Pune.
Correct. Guys,
हाँ
wherever it happens, try to go there. Okay, it will be good. Okay. Good, guys. Share me your barcodes, please. This का भी pending है. Anything pending?
Sir, I have shared my LinkedIn
हाँ.
profile that is
हाँ.
for Ansible practical
Same here. So.
Okay. One
in
second. I'm
dash 38.
okay. I'm just checking it.
Yesterday, HR called me and like, Amit, what happened with your work front? I'm just shocking. Why you are asking about this? Because mm,
I got the updates from your LinkedIn, and you are updating some practicals and all these things. Is it any planning for leaving this team or anything?
No, no. See, you can say straightforward that not
Um,
you are a part of one community, okay, and
yes.
you guys are exploring. That's it. Simple.
Yeah, I'm also telling them same. Like we are exploring new technologies and new concepts from AWS and DevOps.
See, you can say directly that my next I'm means in the company they don't know, right? Ki I my next tool which I'm exploring it is Ansible. Simple. Okay.
Yes.
बस ऐसा भी कुछ कह सकते हो. Correct? See, when
लेकिन मैंने
people will
अपडेट भी
notice
करा
you.
था ओपन टू वर्क करके. They are just
Okay.
saying why this is open to work. Please
I,
put down this.
I feel that if you do now open to work only for the people who, I mean, there is an option, I think so. It is not visible for
Yes.
everyone. We can make it for
Recruiter,
recruiter
recruiter
only.
also.
Yeah, so we can do in that way too.
Actually, they are recruiters, so they just
It was like कि आप ऊँट पे बैठे हो और आपको ही कुत्ता काट
right,
ले.
right.
बट मैं तो है ना मेरी कंपनी का कोई पर्सन को ऐड नहीं करता,
Correct,
नहीं
कोई
नहीं,
भी
correct.
मैंने भी
किसी को
ऐड नहीं किया है, लेकिन
That's a
वो
good
कैसे
practice.
सर्च सर्च
किसी को
मैंने
नहीं
भी
करता.
किसी को नहीं करा है. करंट कंपनी में मैंने किसी को ऐड नहीं करा है, बट
I will tell
दे आर
you, I
जस्ट
will tell you one
सर्चिंग.
thing. जब लास्ट डे होगा ना तब सबको रिक्वेस्ट करना.
हाँ, मैं भी वही सोच रहा हूँ. जब
I
पेपर डालूंगा तब सबको रिक्वेस्ट भेज के जाऊंगा.
क्योंकि देखो now what will happen, you will switch again, right? Every 3 months, every 6 months, every 1 year, every 2 year, right? जब तक एक
यस.
स्टैंडर्ड पैकेज नहीं मिलता है. Correct?
हम्म.
correct, correct.
So follow this trick also.
I have just leave my previous LinkedIn page and now created one after joining your classes.
अरे
So
नहीं नहीं
planning
नहीं इतना नहीं 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 अश्विन, इतना नहीं ओके. इतना नहीं. ओके.
उसमें काफी सारे उसके मतलब करंट कंपनी के एम्प्लॉयज थे तो मैंने यार छोड़ो उसको
नहीं
अभी
कुछ नहीं,
फ्रेश
कुछ
शुरू
नहीं.
करते हैं.
कुछ नहीं होता. ओके.
अश्विन दूसरी बनाने देते हैं क्या लिंक्डइन वाले? अब तो आधार
हाँ हाँ,
ऑथेंटिकेशन वगैरह चीजें चलने लग गई ना,
मैंने
दूसरी
तो
बनाई.
बनाया मतलब इट इज वर्किंग फाइन एंड ही आस्क्ड मी फॉर कपल ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक जस्ट टू वेरिफिकेशन फॉर वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग एंड ऑल दैट, सो आई जस्ट
ओके.
प्रोवाइडेड देम. इट वाज
But
फिक्स्ड.
one thing, I was observing that from last to last year, also updated my old LinkedIn, and one HR, my colleague in last company, they are saying if you are using a single LinkedIn profile from last, uh, it's too old, then it's more effective like that. We have connect more connections and all these things.
Similar like
If we are creating new, then we have to connect with all the peoples and increase the connections likewise that.
okay,
If it's
okay,
old profile, then it's more effective like.
all right.
Cool, nice.
Sir, we have to share QR code or just only send by number? You can.
Sorry, Hardik.
We have to share QR code or you can send
Anything,
from mobile.
anything, and anything. Barcode. Just give me the barcode. It will be good for me. Easy.
Mm.
So do we have anyone on the call who is not part of 38 or 39 WhatsApp group? Because I know the people, because the people who are already in 38, then we can reach out because we have the contact number for them after this sessions. So
Yeah, it's okay. One or two person will be always there. Okay, to here and there. Okay, because see,
uh,
his marriage came. XYZ reason came. Okay,
yeah,
so I'm not asking that. Kia, why you missed the session? Right? It's
correct,
okay.
correct.
Your choice. If you are interested to come again, right? See,
Yeah, I
time is
understand.
very precious. Correct.
I was planning after these sessions because we have done everything and planning to do some practicals and for LinkedIn profile and just more to explore and then we'll start the interviews. So when I'm not sure if you aware of this not, but a couple of team members are already we are just doing some practicals. So a bunch of people.
I
That's good,
shared
man.
my
That's
number in chat.
Okay, yeah, Mukesh, I'll just add you on that.
अरे नहीं जरूरत है अश्विन, नहीं मत बनाओ
I'm
इतने सारे
I'm
ग्रुप।
अच्छा अच्छा
part
अच्छा
I'm part of 37 batch, so I
अच्छा
don't
अच्छा
have
अच्छा।
contact number all of you.
वही 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 मैं पूछना चाह रहा था, अगर कोई ऐसा बंदा है जो रह रहा है ना, तो वी कैन हैव एन डिस्कशन।
Even I am trying to create one application where I just want to implement all services like Terraform, like Docker. What I asked with Vikas, do we have any application such like that? I created one application, in fact, and I containerized that application, and I use Jenkins and push the application on the Docker Hub. I did till right
Great,
now, and I create the infrastructure with the help of Terraform,
excellent.
and
Great.
I will
That's
deploy that
great.
application. It's 3-tier architecture application, and I created application by myself
Yeah, that's great. I love
with
it
the
to
help of
see.
ChatGPT.
Great, great, great. If you can share that,
I
it's
want
Yeah,
to
it's on my GitHub repo.
okay.
deploy one billing software or application for one of the hotel project. If anyone want to join,
Yes,
I
I
will
can,
get into touch with you. Yeah.
I can. Actually, I'm curious to work on the Kubernetes side
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
because there is more demand in Kubernetes.
Mustafa is talking on mute, I think.
I'm sorry,
Oh.
whatever I said didn't reach out.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I created my own application, Spring Boot applications, and then implemented. Yeah, yeah, 3-4 weeks ago. Uh, yeah, and Ashwin, just whenever you are ready, always. I cannot say just okay every time I can make up, but I'm ready actually discussing and whatever. We did all our practical.
Correct,
I
correct.
did my all of my practical, but
Yeah,
this is our real time to uh, focus on all the theory we have in the PPT, all the yeah, we have to explore actually how much we actually digest it, and we have to review it. So
correct.
it's really if we come up on the camera, whoever available, and then we discuss theory. I have planned actually if we select a topic like Docker and Kubernetes this week, and next
Mm-hmm.
week CI/CD. So then we can know just where we are actually, how much
Great.
Hmm.
we have learned, and yeah.
But
That's an excellent approach. Yeah, we can
Yeah,
Al-
definitely.
Also, any practical.
Mm.
So anyone face any problem, then we can share. Or if anyone have new idea doing practicals, so they can explore in front of us. So it's gonna be
Sure, sure.
really,
I have also, I mean, though I have your contact number, so if anyone on
please,
the call,
yeah,
on this call, I just posted my contact number. You can drop
yeah.
me a message if
So
you need
yeah,
it.
because we have everything from Vikas.
Yeah,
So now
absolutely.
only we'll knock him
Correct.
whenever okay, we are ready. Can you take my in the interview? Then I will know just okay where I am. Also, if any other things, job related things, okay, if I applied, okay, I got this call, what I should do, because he's busy guy, he's very busy, just,
But I'm
Right.
but
always
he's
available.
still
But I'm always
available. Is
available for my students.
Yes, but
I mean, the time
it's
management he is
it's
using, that
our
is
pleasure.
actually a fantastic thing,
Eh,
because
eh, eh,
somehow doing the job and then parallelly just planning this community, that's a very brilliant job he's currently doing. I must say this.
one of the my colleague, I just want to share this thing, calendar or timing or
Yeah,
the time management. Who is the
Teams.
actually was my manager, who is a German guy. He's created his calendar for the year, and that calendar for personal stuff and the official stuff as well. Like starting from woke up in the early morning, he have to what time he have to go to the I mean for personal stuff and then official stuff. So he booked the calendar for the over the year. That's how he manage the time.
I think he also learned from Yukas.
There's one more person, Ankur Wariko, if you heard about him.
Correct.
Was
He
he's
is
also
my batchmate. Okay.
huh?
We are into one of the cohort for the learning. Ankur Variko is my batchmate.
Oh God.
Great, huh?
See, when this type of trainings happen, we all creators are on the same place.
Hmm.
That's
Yes.
great. That's great.
Great. So I was saying that like he's also following this teams which you are talking about, Suresh.
Yeah.
He explained
Good.
this when he was, I mean, we were just, I mean, our R1 company just asked him to just join and discuss some few points. Then he just disclosed this thing.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Because I had one issue regarding my account. Actually, I'm not sure how this happened. Around 13
13
session.
users, right? 13
Yeah,
users.
yes. If you
Ashwin.
could just make it,
ASH.
actually, my,
I'm just doing cleanup. Okay. One
yes,
second.
please. Thank you so much.
Where you messaged me?
Actually, I personally messaged you
Okay,
and
I got it.
shared the
Got
email
it.
address.
Ashwin. Got it. Got it. Just give me a second.
Thank you.
Mm, mm, mm.
I'll reset my password again so that
No, not
just
required. Not required. I will do it from the backend. I'm doing it. I'm just thinking how to do that. Because this is not an everyday ticket, right?
yeah.
Mm,
So you have set up your lab like mic, camera. That's a good
everything,
approach.
everything.
Mm,
Yes. Yeah.
looks better
Because
now.
see, I will tell you, you can't believe I have a YouTubers team. Okay. Not my YouTuber team. Okay. There is a separate YouTuber team. Okay. And they're just creating a YouTube video on the cricket. And can you guess how much they are earning per month? Can you guess how much per month they are
I
earning?
know because IPL season
Arey,
and the other
just number. I
One
need a
lakh,
number.
one lakh
in crore I think
crore,
in crore. Yeah.
1 lakh should be
No,
this
no,
way.
no, no lakh in crores. In
Yeah,
crores.
I think in
I know one
crores.
guy who's from the north side, Ashwin.
Mm.
He's a gold man. I forget his name, but he's a gold man and he's making a lot of in crores
Okay.
just
They are
just
earning
from
10 lakh rupees per month from the YouTube
Why?
only.
1 lakh 20,
That's it. Okay.
1.2
And
crore.
we thought what we are doing. Correct.
Correct.
So,
After
and I will show you. This is the person. Okay. Uh, you हमने तो उसका वेबसाइट पे भी डाला है. Yep. He is Prashant. Okay. Prashant Soni. Yep. Okay. He's a YouTuber and he is my BDA. So he suggested all these things that we have to do this, we have to do this. Right. So we are just doing it.
after this 2015 era, I think this boom came. Uh,
This boom came. Correct. Yes.
YouTuber and
Correct.
they are
YouTubers can do
just
this.
they are earning a good amount of money.
Okay. No, their efforts are there. Okay.
Yes, yes,
And it's not
absolutely.
happen with
Yeah,
everyone. Okay.
new
It's not,
Yeah,
it's
content
very difficult.
every day.
it's not a
Like,
one night shot. Yeah,
yes,
Correct.
yes.
It will take years. Okay.
mm,
And you have to be that much mature, then only this all things will happen.
consistency matters because the people started and then just leave it like they
See,
forget
when
it.
you leave it, you will not be into that situation. Simple. Okay.
Mm.
When you will be constantly into that part, then only that thing will come into the picture.
that YouTuber Abhishek Vemula is also quit the job and then dedicatedly
Mm.
go to
See,
the
people
YouTube.
are leaving 70 lakhs rupees job. Okay.
Yeah. He said that he lived now 40, 50 lakhs almost.
Correct. Yeah. Chalo. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys, you can
Okay,
continue if you have questions. Okay.
okay.
And
Yeah,
if
We are
you
ready.
means I'm expecting you to refer your friends, okay, because you have done everything, okay, lot of things. Now, next part is refer each other. Okay, please, that will also be important. Okay, I will provide the referrals for you guys, but you guys can also refer each other. It will be helpful for you. You can refer for my batch as well. Okay, and I will pull you into some freelancing projects as well. Okay, so whoever has a time interested, based on your interest, based on your time, okay, capabilities, okay, you can be a part of our team, internal team as well. Okay, cool. Yeah,
The 39 batch will start from tomorrow or how?
tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
We are
Okay.
starting.
Okay.
Okay, at the end, I would like to say, because thank you so much for your effort. You are our mentor now. You'll be my mentor, especially. I don't know, I'm sure just, I mean, as long as
Yes, for me
I'm
too.
in the IT, yeah, in this IT department. So I'll take your advice wherever in the upcoming
Definitely,
years.
definitely.
Mustafa, just a short
I
question.
hope yeah. Yes.
You're from which location in India? I mean, you shifted to UK, but before that,
Okay.
you were in
Oh,
India or?
No, I'm from Bangladesh. Originally, I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay.
I came in the UK 16 years ago.
Oh, okay.
So I completed MBA here, and then okay. So
Nice.
yeah, I lived in London, in Greater London.
Okay.
Past 7 years. Then I moved into near. Now I live in very one of the is the best place in the UK. Is where I live. I created one website. I implemented. If you see, I mean just it's like you see this is part of Switzerland. I live in the best place in the UK. It's called Surrey.
Okay.
One of the most richest part in the UK. I'm very ordinary people anyway, but I enjoy nature of beauty every day. If I if it is now it's in the morning, if I saw surrounding, it's amazing. It's the hills. It's beautiful. So I'm lucky that I live here.
Okay, nice. So before close the call, because I would like to know the location of each and everyone, if anyone sharing. I'm from Pune.
I'm also from Pune.
Oh, Amit.
Yeah.
I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
I'm from
I'm also
Delhi.
from Ahmedabad.
Where? Who is from another from Ahmedabad?
It's
Milan?
me.
Milan.
Yes.
Oh, where? Ahmedabad?
Katlodia.
Gotha.
Nice, great. We'll meet
Malia.
physically.
Malia, yes.
And Amit,
I am from either Delhi.
Amit, Pune where?
I'm from Digi.
Digi. Okay, I'm in Mushi.
Okay. It's near.
So we are nearby. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll meet someday. Yeah.
Yes,
I have your number.
definitely.
Yeah.
You had noticed that this is the beauty of this collaboration, like the team. We would never know each other right before this course, right? And now we are connected that much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Vikas sir. Even though
this credit goes to
this could
Vikas
not
all.
absolutely this could not never be possible.
Yeah.
I didn't ask where Vikas from. Really. I don't. I
I'm from
just
Bangalore. See,
Bangalore.
my work location is Bangalore. My house, I'm 50-50% I'm in Indore, 50% I'm in Bangalore. Okay. And I have a same studio setup in both the places. Okay. So student never get to know that where I am. Okay. My office people also not get to know, but I went to office also. Okay. Yep.
Yes.
So it's the same setup. Okay. There is no difference. So, but I'm in both the places. Sometimes weekends or some festival came, then only I came to Indore. Otherwise, I'm in Bangalore always.
Great.
Nice.
Good to hear.
Mukesh, where are you from?
I'm from Saranpur. It's nearby Delhi NCR.
Yeah.
Or you can say nearby Haridwar. You might be heard about that.
So
Haridwar.
Ashwin is your buddy. I mean,
Nearby Dehradun, Mussoorie.
Yeah.
Great. It's
I know
beautiful.
Muzaffarnagar, Saranpur. Yeah.
Muzaffarnagar, Saranpur. One of the you can say cutter type.
They are always ready for fight.
District Muzaffarnagar.
अगर पॉसिबल हुआ ना तो अपने मैं पक्का अश्विन सुरेश भाई ये सबको मिलूंगा लाइफ में पक्का मिलूंगा अश्विन
अहमदाबाद से निकलो तो मुझे भी ले जाना।
हार्दिक तू नहीं
अश्विन
मिला
को तो
तो
मिलूंगा
हार्दिक तू नहीं मिला तो हम मिलने आएंगे।
अगर अश्विन से मिलोगे तो दिल्ली तक आएंगे क्योंकि बहुत पास में है।
I will tell you. Okay. Someone who want to stay more into the company is a paymaster invite everyone in the same company. That's it. He will come by own. You don't have to, Hardik. You don't have to go anywhere. Pull him into your company. Okay, he
That's a
will
good
come
idea.
to your house and not for
With
one day, every
highest
day.
package. With highest package.
अरे पैकेज तो मिल ही जाएगा ना, स्विच मारोगे तो 5-10 lakhs तो एक्स्ट्रा मिल ही जाएगा मिनिमम, करेक्ट?
एंड आई एम श्योर वो मजा अलग होगा नेक्स्ट लेवल जब साथ में बैठ के काम करेंगे.
See, I created my team, okay, in every company. होता है.
Or maybe someday set up a one meetup, one-on-one. I mean, physical meetup. That is also a good idea.
फिजिकल
Maybe
मीटअप
it depends.
प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. फिजिकल मीटअप
So
प्रैक्टिकली
everyone is
पॉसिबल.
not, for everyone is not
Okay.
possible.
वो सबका
Correct,
टाइम
correct.
थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट रहता है ना,
That
और
is
सब
true.
अलग अलग जगह से है, कोई दिल्ली से, आप पुणे से है,
Correct. If
अश्विन
see
दिल्ली से है.
everyone's hometown is same, then it is possible.
Yeah,
Okay, और
yeah.
अगर ये ऑफलाइन बैच होता, then it is definitely possible.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
True.
I am from
We
Rajasthan,
can
so
we can plan it for Goa, one Goa trip.
I
हाँ
Mukesh,
चलो गोवा चलो.
Mukesh, I have an idea. We all of us are scattered. Some from north, some from south. We can हम बीच की जगह पे मिलते हैं. इंदौर में
सर
जो
के
सर की
वहीं
जगह है
मिलते
वहां
हैं,
पे.
I
सर के
told
वहीं
you, I
मिलते हैं
told you,
इंदौर.
Goa is the best place.
See, गोवा
Make it
और
Goa.
either
Make
इंदौर
it
बेटर.
make it
इंदौर
Goa.
इंदौर
Then
इंदौर इज सेंटर.
पर इंदौर में करेंगे
You
क्या?
can
गोवा में
stay,
जाएंगे तो
but
कुछ घूमते रहे,
करोगे क्या?
शॉपिंग
Goa
कर
at least
लेंगे
यार
क्या?
you will enjoy the moments, enjoy the location.
yeah, make it
Correct.
Goa.
Okay.
Then I'll make my holiday.
That's
At least we will explore
Mustafa
Goa
always
more.
connected with virtually.
चलो
चलो,
प्लान
no,
करो
no,
Then
गोवा
no
का,
then
आई
worry.
एम
I'll
रेडी.
visit Goa. I have planned. So Mukesh, I like Mukesh idea. So if everyone is Goa, then why not?
Yeah. But no
Like
worries. We
Mustafa
will meet
can join us.
virtually, and we will create a better team, or like best team with uh, project
Like-minded
practicals, I
people.
say.
Before that, we will have to practice very hard.
Yeah.
And while they enjoying,
Once
we
we
just revise
once
the.
we once everyone will get a job with best best package, I can
Get
say.
a job with the best
Yes.
package,
Then we can meet Mustafa also
so that we can
physically.
call Vikas that we did it, we achieved it.
Yeah. चलो
Let's make some
मुस्तका के
plan
साथ
for
चलते
Goa.
हैं.
ऐसा करो, make a target this year गोवा. Okay. और
Yes.
after 1 or 2 years दुबई, और फिर दुबई से यूके चलेंगे. करेक्ट.
Actually, this is
डायरेक्टली
good idea.
प्रैक्टिकली थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा.
Actually, this
Yes.
is good idea to stay connected.
Yeah, I mean,
Make a target. Next 6 months में जॉब लगना चाहिए, बस स्विच होना चाहिए.
उसके बाद
और एक
शादी
कमेंट
होनी
जरूर
चाहिए.
ग्रुप पे डालना.
शादी हो
एक
गई,
कमेंट
अभी
ग्रुप
बच्चे
जो
भी हो गए.
अच्छा, जिसकी नहीं हुई है उसकी. Yes,
उसके
all
शादी
the
में
जरूर
चलेंगे
ग्रुप.
फिर.
हाँ.
एक कमेंट ग्रुप पे या लिंक्डइन पे जरूर डालना. ठीक है. दिस फन मस्ती. ओके, इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू और अदर्स एज वेल. ओके, वी विल कीप इट रिमेंबर. ओके
Yes.
प्लीज. कूल कूल. और जिन्होंने आज का सेशन मिस किया, दे हैव टू रियलाइज कि यार क्या मिस कर दिया ऐसा.
सच में.
करो.
चलो बेस्ट
सही में
ऑफ
सर,
लक.
हम लोग गोवा घूम आए.
कुछ हो ना
अरे
हो, गोवा
मुकेश भाई,
डेफिनेटली.
गोवा जाएंगे, गोवा
Yes.
जाएंगे.
Let's go
अरे
plan this
प्रवीण
trip.
भाई,
Okay. See, make a plan. Okay. At least if 2-3 people will come, I will be the third person. Okay. और
I
most
am
3
welcome.
people या 4 people आ रहे हैं तो fourth will be I am. Okay.
I will
तो
be the
please
first person.
make a plan.
Then
बस हो
सुरेश,
गया. और
मुझे लेके चलना
कौन?
साथ.
प्रवीण भाई कुछ
अमित.
बोल रहे थे. Where is
अमित.
Praveen
हाँ
भाई?
हाँ
बोलो.
हाँ, अमित, you are my nearest buddy.
गोवा जाएंगे तो
Yes.
हमको नियर ही है, मुझे और सुरेश को. क्या
हाँ, प्रवीण भाई भी
डेवलपर
है.
पास.
प्रवीण भाई वडगाव शिवरी में रहते.
अरे वाह.
अच्छा.
मैं वडगांव शेयरिंग नहीं भाई, वडगांव बुद्रुक सिंहगढ़ रोड.
हाँ, वडगाव वही है ना.
नहीं,
अरे
वडगांव शेरी
सिंहगढ़
अलग है,
रोड,
बुद्रुक.
सिंहगढ़ रोड ना. ओके, ठीक है.
हाँ, मेरा सिंहगढ़ रोड है.
ओके ओके.
ये टॉपिक कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था? वेयर वी वेंट.
गोवा पहुंच
प्रवीण
गए.
प्रवीण
हाँ
सर,
बोलो.
वहां पे मेरा फ्लैट है नरे में, नियर
नरे में
जेल
आप
कॉलेज.
रहते कि तो.
मैं अभी दिघे में रहता हूँ. इज माय ओन हाउस.
ओके ओके ओके. अरे पिंग करना पर्सनल नंबर भी, अमित कबाड़े.
या श्योर.
नरे में हो गया. मैं वडगांव, आपको वडगांव में जादव नगर में मेरा फ्लैट है.
ओके ओके डन.
सिंहगढ़ की कॉलेज के पहले ही आधा किलोमीटर.
यस यस.
Praveen, where you been? We missed you.
अरे यार, मैं कल रात थोड़ा पढ़ाई कर रहा था, थोड़ा नींद नहीं खुला.
चलो अभी पढ़ाई करते हैं. I'm getting a call from office, so I want to leave.
Thank you so much,
Thank
everyone.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you,
Take
everyone.
care.
Thanks,
Take care.
Vikas. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
Vikas.
you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vikas.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.
बड़े बड़े लोगों
Thank you.
को
Bye.
बड़े बड़े दूर से अश्विन एनसीआर दिल्ली आप भी मुकेश दूर से हो
You.
Thanks, Praveen. Thanks very much.
Okay, thanks. मुस्तफा तो बहुत दूर से है
But we are connected. Don't worry.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Whenever we need.
Thank you, Vikas sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.